it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with you guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to just share some of the ways I retain moisture and just keep my hair hydrated. If you're interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. Okay, the first thing that I just want to share, I've learned some different things and what my hair actually like. Being natural, it's coming on, it'll be maybe 3 years this year since I have been natural. And you learn so much about your hair in that time, even in 1 year, 2 years, but by the third year, going on the third year, you really know what your hair like and what it dislikes. So what I found out, I have low porosity hair. That means I have hair that I really have to force moisture into. Low porosity, you really have to really work on keeping that moisture or getting that moisture into those cuticles, you know what I'm saying? So you just really have to work at it. High porosity hair, it just sucks up. It just sucks up products. You don't have to work that hard. You just put it on and just suck it right on up. Normal is normal. I mean, your hair is normal. It's not too little, not too less. You know, you don't have to work as hard. It's perfect hair basically. Well, it's not perfect, but you know, you don't have to work as hard to keep and retain moisture. So high porosity and low porosity, you have to use a lot of product, and low porosity, you just really have to work to get a little bit of moisture in your hair. So what I've learned about my hair, and I don't know about anybody else's right now, but I just want to, if you have low porosity hair, just try this and let me know if this works for you. When applying leave-in conditioners, what I do now, I warm up my products. I will, if I'm using leave-in conditioners, even if I'm re-moisturizing my hair, after a twist out, when or a wash and go, I would just put hot water in a bottle. Let me see, I don't have it in here now. But I just take a spray bottle, put hot water in it. I mean, hot as you can stand, and not was just scalding hot. You know, just like for my conditioner, I just put a little bit of conditioner, what I'm gonna use for whether it's leave-in or just regular deep conditioner. With deep conditioner, I still warm it, and then I sit up under a dryer or a warming cap to just really help penetrate and add that moisture into my hair. Also, when leave-ins, I take the bottle and I may just sit it in a cup of hot water just to get it warm. And when I apply it, I'm really working it into my hair. I'm gonna show you some pictures right here that I really force that moisturizer, whether it's moisturizer or leave-in, into my hair, and that works wonders with me, warming the product up. Like, as I was saying, even with the spray bottles, hot water, and I spray it on my hair to refresh, warm up your products. It really helps my hair, and I noticed that my hair loves warm water or anything that's warm. When I'm applying it to my hair, it just reacts better and it helps keep that moisture in. So I still, once I shampoo my hair and I put conditioner on, and I still rinse it out with cool water. So yeah, it has I've really seen a difference in my hair. Like right now, this is it's a old wash and go. It's a 5-day wash and go. Okay, I haven't re-wet it, re-moisturized it. It's 5 days, and look at it, it's still moisturized. And that is basically, and it's cold here, okay? The weather is really crisp. It's like maybe 20 degrees, but my hair is moisturized, okay? And it has stayed like this, and I'm loving it. it's moisturized even when touching it. Usually, especially with me having color in my hair, it's usually dry and brittle, but no, not now. No. I'm telling you, anything that I use now, even if I use a little bit of castor oil, I just take it and warm it up. You don't have to leave it where it's scalding hot. Maybe a couple of seconds, couple of minutes, you know, not even a minute. I'll say some seconds, maybe 20 seconds, something to that point where you just want to get it warm. And it's according to what your warm is. Mine, my hot is hot. And because I can stand it and my hair loves it. The warmer, the hotter, the better for my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here real quick just to share some tips and tricks of how I just retain moisture. And I apply, if I layer it, I'm doing the same thing. I apply my deep conditioner, leave that on for maybe an hour, and I sit up under a dryer, even more heat to penetrate that moisturizer, that deep conditioner. Then I'll rinse that out. And then I go back in with my warm leave-in, and I apply that, work that on through, and then style as usual. Like I said, this was a wash and go. I'm gonna show you in some pictures of how it was in the beginning. This is how it looked. And then this is the results of it a few days later, because your hair just expands, gets bigger and bigger. So the more days, the bigger the afro and the curls get. So yeah, this was it. And all I did was just re-moisten it a little bit, just put some oil on it, but nothing else. I didn't do anything else to it. If you have water in the spray bottle, remember to warm that up and spritz your hair just to bring it back to life and just add some more moisture. You really don't have to add any more product, but your water, make sure it's hot or warm according to you. And yeah, that's it. So if you have tried this, warming up your products, let me know how that works out. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, peace and love, guys. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.